So hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. I did not wanna I I had I had a very long weekend and I was just taking my time out to relax. So it was very hard for me to make this video. So I'm gonna make it as short as possible because I wanna quickly go through what happened on Friday and again just show you what might happen on next week and what I am expecting. Remember once more that I am not a financial advisor and I do not offer mentorships to anybody. And again, this mentorship is for my brother and just me documenting my journey to, you know, to observe how I am doing here. And so that one day I will come back to this platform and I don't know, just be happy of what I did. Yeah, so that's it. As you can see here, I just took some trades on Friday, and you can see that we are floating on $1,978 in profit. Even, um, I will quickly show you how I took this trade and guide you through how I will get out of this trade because I s- I it, I did not just trade. There were some reasons that made me to trade. First reason was that on Friday we had high impact news events at 8:30 and at 9:45. So I expected market to behave how it did. And from here, remember I when I was talking, I say that we came for this liquidity. Immediately swipe we swept that liquidity on Tuesday, and we started going higher Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Although we didn't come for this buy side liquidity here. Remember, I also talked about this buy side liquidity here at the all-time highs. Also, we are also aware of this. Remember, I say we are treating the market in terms of probabilities, and that means two things can happen in the market. Okay, but our main goal is marking out liquidity areas. So I will go through the 4-hour time frame. Remember, we said we are at the IFVG, the sell side imbalance, the daily sell side imbalance that was going to be used as let me show you once again as an inversion fair value gap. This one here, see here, this one here, this one here was gonna be used as a stepping stone to reach out for this buy side liquidity. So we are going to observe that. Okay, so we go down to the 4-hour time frame. I want to quickly introduce my video arrays. It's gonna be kind of a little dirty, but you are going to bear with me because I'm doing this for you. Okay, you understand that? Quickly want to tell you where we opened at. You can see where we opened at this week, the last week. Here we closed here. We open here. We come for this liquidity here on Tuesday, and on Thursday we start going higher. And we can see how this price action is so good, just like how I said about it, talked about it. Balanced price range. You know why I say that it is. Quickly drop my PD arrays. There you go. Not that dirty though. So I want to quickly go through what happened on the 4-hour time frame. So you guys are wondering why I am always on the higher time frame. It's because this time frame is magical. I don't know. It's kind of magical. So we closed here on Friday 13th Feb 2026 here. I knew that was going to be used as an order block, a bearish order block. Remember the up close candles I used to, as bearish order blocks. I graded this green here, dark green here, point 0.5 level you're seeing here, 5,029.943. That's a mean threshold. You see how the do you see how do you see how price is respecting these here? This is magical. This is definitely magical. We we kind of open here. See that? This here. Close. We open here. See that? Put it there. Close here. It's a new week opening up here. We just close. You want to tell me that we randomly close here, then we randomly open here. We drop. You see that? And for the whole day, we just keep on dropping. See how that for our buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency was used. See how those candles are respecting there. And on Tuesday, you see where we closed here, and I we close here. I wanna grade this here. This is an order block, bearish order block once again. So I graded the mean threshold there. Do you see how this is playing with your mind? You see that? Do you see these? And you won't fucking believe when I tell you that these things are working every day, and I'm getting entries every day, and I am getting better every day. Yeah, that's who I am. Lucid plug, nigga. I am lucid plug, plugging you to the fullest. See where we open? You see that? Where we close? Where we open? We didn't even we touched that mean threshold, just the low of that for BC, and we drop. It doesn't want to give you a chance. What we coming for? This one here. That's our liquid sell side liquidity. It's a minus sell side liquidity. We're there. So we come, we start to play around here. You see, I kind of talked about this here. Rejection block for our BC. This point 0.5 level. Liquidity rate. A new day opening up here. We open here on Wednesday. You see that how we sat on that point 0.5 level of the 4 rejection block. See that? We come, we create this here. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. Order block, you know what that is. This is a rejection block here. So it might be retested later. You put that. This is another block here. See that block line I put there? Order block there. We did not even refer to the consequent encroachment of that for BC. We shoot higher, and immediately that happened. I remember I took this trade here. So we shoot high up there and we close here immediately after taking out these here, buy side here. See that? And it's so magical that we close just below this um in threshold. See, when we close below that, the next candle that opens just wants to go lower, and we close there. Okay. Um, I'm doing that because I want you to see the narrative, that how I build my narrative. We close here. We close here. We open here. We create this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That's gonna be used, but the market still wants some to do some drama. So what drama do we have here? We have this consequent encroachment here. You see this dotted line here you're seeing? That's the consequent encroachment of the daily sell side imbalance that I showed you. Okay. And we come for this liquidity here too. And this was a very, 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 very weird price action here. Okay. And if you don't know what you were doing, you might have been cooked. Okay. Um so you see here, we close here, we open here, we close here, see there, we close there, and we kinda open somewhere here. I don't know, I don't even understand how these candlesticks are formed for seeing this one here. Okay, here. So we see this price action on Friday here, very beautiful. But I wanted to tell you to watch. You see how we came for this 4 hour BC here? Just immediately after the high impact news events release. See this one here? I have this one here. Remember I said I don't take a look at what happens. I just take a look at the time when the fundamentals are going to be released. So that's how I traded on Friday. See that? I also traded on my other accounts. So what I'm watching here, this minor buy side liquidity, very high victim. Probably we might open because we're going to open in a few hours. Let's see. 7 hours 28 minutes. So we might have swept these here. I'm also looking at this 4 hour BC. Just look at how the candles will print here. High victims here. New day opening up on Wednesday on 1st February 28th. I'm also seeing these, watching this buy side liquidity here. Also watching this here. So I have basically showed you what I'm watching, and I want you to do it with me. Okay. So I don't know where the market might open. So we're going to wait, and then we're going to react on that. So today, tomorrow, I will be on the market and I will be with you. So stick around. Thank you for listening to me. Once again, my name is Lucy Plug, and you're much welcome for all the goodies. And just take them slow, okay?